This is going to be in a one and only Rahul Arya. Put your hands together. Place your eyes on the screen, please. ये है कहानी रिया और राज की.
Ever tried holding the sand tightly in your hand? No matter how firm your grip, sand slips away. Just like time. Every grain is a moment from your life. A single grain alone may seem small, but together they form your memories, your story. In our rush for someday, we forget that life happens in the now. This story begins with a moment like that. One grain of sand, and shows how dreams, when delayed too long, begin to fade. But with love, resilience, and the right chance, we can still catch those grains and hold them close. Ria, a 19-year-old college girl from Goa, loves watching the TV series Emily in Paris with dreamy eyes. One day, Mama, Papa and I will visit Paris. We'll eat pizza near the Eiffel Tower, she laughed. That evening, her father Raj, who's usually occupied with work and meetings, he was finally home early. No calls, no meetings, just presents. But this night was different. Quietly, he joined them, then slowly placed a file on the table. It was hospital reports. He breaks the news. I've been diagnosed with cancer. Just a few months left, maybe. The laughter faded. A glass slipped from the wife's hands. He had spent his life preparing for the future. But now time, the one thing he thought he had, was running out. It was the longest night. The next day blurred in sirens and silence. Raj sat in his hospital room, watching the world rush by, all memories, thinking what could be. He didn't fear illness. He feared missed memories, missed family dinners, unsaid words, promises he saved for the future. Nina and Ria always believed there was time. We all do. Until suddenly, there isn't. Eyes closed, he whispered. We saved our dreams for tomorrow, but they slipped through. Then came a wise senior doctor who handed him a folded note and said, open this only when you're either very happy or very sad. That note, like life, waited for its moment. Somewhere else, in quiet labs, Servier listened, not just to data, but to pain. We are moved by patients like Raj, who are fighting difficult-to-treat cancers. Our promise is to make their lives a little bit better, offer them a fighting chance against these diseases where very little hope exists. We built something not only from science, but from empathy. That promise took shape as Tibsovo, a treatment, a possibility, a spark, a therapy like no other. The doctor helped him with Tibsovo. Slowly, Raj regained strength, showed a slow improvement. His steps grew steadier. Nina's silence softened. Ria dreamt again. One evening, Raj smiled and said, I don't want forever. I just want now. And then one day, he surprised them with flight tickets, not for work, but for Paris. They jumped high, stood by the Eiffel Tower, arms around each other, having delicious pizza. He whispered, this moment is mine, because now they were truly living. It is a promise of a father to his family. It is a promise of Servier to mankind. One morning, Raj found the doctor's old note in his shirt pocket. He opened it slowly. It read, वो भी वक्त था, निकल गया. ये भी वक्त है, निकल जाएगा. He smiled. That truth was not just comforting, it was life. Now he wakes with the sun, waters his garden, laughs with Ria, and walks with Nina. Tibsovo didn't just extend time, it deepened its meaning. That Paris photo is now his wallpaper. Beneath it, thank you for one more moment. Because every sunset carries hope. And as the sun rises again, new light, new warmth, so does the chance to live fully again. Thank you, Servier Tibsovo, a promise of life.
Ladies and gentlemen, Rahul Arya for you all.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. दिस इज़ राहुल आर्या साइनिंग ऑफ.